Hi guys, so hopefully you've gotten to Weebly.com and you've created a login and password and you're ready to add your site and all that kind of stuff. This is the simple part, so I'm going to go and click on mine and add a new site. And you see you've got some themes here that you can choose from. Feel free to do whatever you would like to. We're going to make some changes to it later on down the road anyway. So just for now, I'm going to pick this one. And hopefully it'll load pretty quickly. Sometimes it takes some time for me. I have to click around. Okay, so here we go. So this is where you're going to create it. I would suggest your name. Since my email is Coach D, I'm going to go ahead and do this, see if it works. It's available, so I click continue. And so now I have my website, my blog site. We'll talk about adding stuff here later on. But be sure you click publish to be sure it's real. Yes, I've already done that. And this is where I was talking about. It's going to say, hey, it's available. Coach D 1977 is available. I don't want to buy it, so I'm not going to click continue. I'm just going to click off. And now I have my site. All right, so get that done. Then go to the home page and go to content and go to our course document. It's already up. And go in there and fill in that information so that people can find your site quickly and easily. So we already got a couple people that have done that. Okay, so that is that. If you have questions about getting the domain name and all that kind of stuff set up, please see me. But that's it. All right, thank you.